Today we shall look at how to make a beautiful e-card for Teachers' Day using Canva on our phone. So let's visit canva.com on our phones. So here we are opening the Canva page. So once the Canva page is opened, let me show you how you can create a beautiful e-card. So what we are doing here is searching for the e-card template. So you type in e-card and you get a plenty of templates that you can use to create a beautiful Teachers' Day special e-card. So here you see we have lots of templates available, and let's select a beautiful one that we shall modify and customize based on our requirement. So here we have this one which appears really colorful and vibrant. So this has opened, and let's make changes in terms of the text, and let's add some images and make this card look a little more beautiful. So we shall change the text here to Happy Teachers' Day. So we go to the edit option, type in the text, and here we have the Happy Teachers' Day text. So the original text in the template has been replaced, and now let's replace the text above it. Let's change it to something more interesting. So let's modify it. So here I'm typing to my guide and inspiration. So you can type in anything you want, whatever you want to tell your teacher, tell your favorite teacher. So you can type it here, and let's adjust the settings. Let's move it a little ahead, a little on top, and then let's edit the text at the bottom. So here also you can write whatever you want to tell your teacher. So a beautiful thank you note is perfect to be written at the bottom of the card. So here we have our thank you note all set. So now we can play around with the colors, with the font, with the setting, with the placement of the text. You can move it around wherever you want. So if you want the Happy Teachers' Day at the bottom, you can do that, or move it right at the top. It's all up to you. So let's have a look at the fonts available. So you see a variety of free fonts available. So even if you do not have the premium version of Canva, you can always choose a font that is free and you can readily use it, see what looks best. Also you could choose the colors, and you can also add in some effects, filters. So you see you have the shadow effect, the lift effect, the hollow effect. So whatever suits you, whatever you like, whatever you think looks best on the card, you can make a selection depending on that. So I like the lift one, I'll keep it the lifted text option. So apart from that, now let's focus on adding some elements, or you can say certain images to the card. So you can choose from available images, or you can also choose from pre-downloaded images. So if you have certain images in your gallery, you can upload it here and use it on the card, or you can use some existing stickers, elements that are available on Canva. So what I'll do is I'll upload media from my phone. I have few free photographs, free stock photos available that I've downloaded, and I shall use them. So you see I have few Teachers' Day related photos here, and these free stock images can be used onto our cards. So I'll upload it here, and once it's uploaded, we can directly pick that image and place it onto a card wherever you want it. The placement is all up to you. Make sure it looks aesthetically beautiful. So we are placing this particular graphic on the left hand corner, and let's see if we can pick up more images. So let's choose another one here, and let's add that to our card. So we have added this one as well. You can modify this size. You can drag the edges and adjust the size based on how you want it, how big or how small, or depending on where you're positioning it on the card, you can adjust the size accordingly. And another image, here we have one more one, and this one more image, we are placing it at the bottom. So this looks good, and just the top part looks a little empty. Add in another element here. So I'm looking for something like a heart-shaped one. So we have found a heart shape, a cute one here, and let's add that element here. But the color is something that looks slightly dull, so let's modify the color. Let's change it to something bright, maybe a bright red. case, so we are changing it to bright red, and we can just have a thank you text over it. So let's go to the text section and let's select. So again, you have some pre-templates. You can say that, okay, so choose the text, the font that you like, and then you can modify and edit the text. So I've chosen this one, and now I'm going to just edit the text and write thank you. Adjust the size, drag the ends, adjust it, and let's place it over the heart, the red heart that we have on the left hand corner. So our card is almost done. Now this is the final look of the card. Isn't it beautiful? And it was quite easy to make. So the final step is downloading it onto your phone. So let's download it, and the design is almost ready. So this is the final card, and you can download it, maybe share it directly. So you have the card on your phone now. You can share it directly, or you can email it, WhatsApp it, share it on your social media, however you want it. And this is the final card. Hope you liked it.